Hey, I'm Cloud for the Sound Design channel, and in today's video, we are making an atmospherical ambient texture inspired by Rüfus the Soul, and we're going to be making it completely from scratch using Serum. So you can also find this patch in the pack linked in the description. So let's get right to it, and this is how the patch sounds. And together with some other sounds from the pack, it sounds like this. So to make this sound, let's open up a brand new instance of Serum. And let's use the original sound as a reference. So as you can see, we're only using the noise oscillator, and we have all the other oscillators turned off. So let's go to our new Serum here. Let's solo it as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off oscillator A, and we're going to turn on the filter. So no noise playing at the moment. So now let's just add some cutoff, some release, some resonance to 20%, right? Some drive, and that's it for the filter cutoff. Now let's go to our main oscillator here, the noise oscillator. Let's turn the level to 50%. And let's, what are we using here? We are using the soar electricity. So let's go here, soar electricity. It sounds like a water drop. Let's turn the pitch to 18. And let's turn this little piano thing here. So now let's go to envelope 1 and add some attack. And now let's add some release to 1.27. 1.27. And let's attach it to the resonance. Just like that. And now let's go to LFO1, and yeah, let's go to LFO1 and create this wave shape. Something like this. And let's turn the rate to 2 bars. And now let's attach the LFO1 to the filter cutoff, as well as the resonance. So that's that. And now let's go to the effects section, and let's turn on chorus, delay, and reverb, and EQ. So in the chorus, let's turn the mix to 15%, and in the delay, let's turn the mix to about 43%. And that's it for the delay. And now let's go to the reverb and turn the mix to 50%. Let's turn the high cut to 0%, the low cut to 0 and the decay to 8 seconds. And let's see if we have any lower frequencies that are playing in the sound. So I don't think we do. So let's turn off the EQ. So yeah, guys, that's how you make a Rüfus Du Sol inspired atmospherical ambient textures to add to your songs, to make them more interesting, to make them more unique. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. And as always, you can grab this preset in the pack in the description. It's called Inner Bloom. It's the preset's inspired by Rüfus Du Sol. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.